Good morning, Michele.
Checkout day.
Checkout day, but look at the weather. So it's still 30 degrees out there and, not a day to be collecting wet cardboard. Still 30 degrees and humid, but big rainstorm. We gave ourselves 60 days to tour around Japan in our little car bubbles. And we've now given ourselves just 3 days to get from Fukuoka all the way back to Osaka. So it's a bit of a race, long distance, long drives. Of course it can be done, but it's going to be squeezing the whole drive between here, Fukuoka and Osaka, into just a short part of this journey. So wish us luck. Oh, before I go, we can't leave the room without one little last go on my Monster Hunter. One. Cherries, that's always good. 5 nights here and I've never won, not once. I wouldn't know if I had one. Have a look at this hotel as we go out. I can explain a little bit about it. Well, you can see the view that we've had. A beautiful view. Watch the ocean liners come in and out, to and fro. And down below us, there's a huge importer of drinks and beverages. So it's been quite interesting every day watching them unload their wagons. Okay, Michele, so we'll take our key out. That unlocks our door. Somebody else is leaving at the same time, so I think the lifts will be busy at this time of day because it's checkout time. This is the first time we've had to wait. Obviously, we've never left at they're quick lifts though. We were saying, I don't know if you can see, go down to the lobby. We're on the 6th floor, but reminds us of a hotel in Hong Kong called the Royal Gardens, much smaller version, but you have this sort of central atrium and a glass elevator, which is kind of cool. And at the front here, there's free non-alcoholic beer. Good morning.
Morning.
So this is our last day in Kyushu.
Yep.
And to be honest, we've only been to Fukuoka really. Well, we did a tour. We did a little tour through the centre when we arrived. Look ahead of me on the left there. That's one of those old black taxis, isn't it? I think a century. Beautiful old 1111, the car number plate.
So I can't get over their number plates.
No, I mean, that would be a proper custom number plate in Australia, but you see his number plate's 1111. You'll probably see, we've probably seen, I'm going to hazard a guess, at least 10 or 15 1111 number plates as we've driven, because all the number plates here are only 4 digits. Don't ask me how it works. We kind of haven't worked it out, but you'll see repeats and really cool number plates. So yeah, look. Well, he's customed out with lowered suspension and big rim tires. Oh yeah. Bit of gangster going on there. So yeah, we're leaving Kyushu on this, what I'm going to call a race to the finish line, because we spent, as I said earlier this morning, I think already, we spent 60 days touring around Japan, but now we've only got three and a half days to get from Fukuoka back up to Osaka. So it's going to be a bit of a rush. So we haven't left the island yet, and I'm not sure if we'll be going over the bridge or back through the tunnel. So yeah, we are back on the road. We've had 5 days relaxing and chilling. We didn't probably do as much in Fukuoka, but it was just nice to be back on familiar ground. We've walked all around our old neighbourhood. We
saw a lot, we just didn't film a lot.
Didn't film everything. We may have made an episode. Yeah. It is time to bring this journey to a close. Exciting new plans.
Yes.
But still a week.
Yes,
a little over a week. So let's see on this journey from Fukuoka to Osaka, what sort of exciting things we see. We're going to stay off the paved roads again, stay on the smaller roads, and who knows, will we get one video?
That's the plan.
Or will we end up proper Steve fashion with 10 videos?
That's what will happen.
I hope not. Editing has been the bane of this journey. I mean, we've loved filming and we've loved making these videos, but the editing has been all-consuming.
Oh, we've seen such cool things.
Anyway, I'm going to stop the video and we will see if we tunnel or bridge when we go back to Honshu. Sorry, Michele?
What, to leave the island?
Yeah. It'd be nice if we go across the bridge. I mean,
Yeah.
we're rolling the dice really. We're letting Google decide for
Yeah.
us. Okay, we just spotted a place for cheap petrol. I said to Michele, before we get off the island, let's fill up with fuel, because we saw the prices on Honshu on this southern tip were still cheap, but a little bit further up they jumped up quite a bit. So 157 is quite good. We're going to get a full tank of regular. Now it's a yellow coloured building, so look out for it. I spy with my little eye a yellow 157 mark on the left hand side. And it's an old school service station, I think, with guys that'll actually do the fuel. There it is, I can see Michele. So I spied it.
You spoiled the I Spy.
I spoiled the I Spy.
And who's to say we're going to get 157?
Ah, probably not.
But anyway.
157.8. So,
Ceiling.
okay.
So you've got to go behind the red one, because it's my side. Head north, then turn right.
Already the gentleman's bringing us in. I love these old service stations. Look, they've got a up she goes.
It's cool, isn't it?
I love it. All the fuel pumps dangling up in the air. Look, you don't see anything like this where I come from. Building up quite a queue behind us. Everybody knows it's the best place. You got a bit of jazz playing in the background. The guys have got a swagger. I love it. Love this place. Pay. Regular full.
フルマックス。
A busy little service station.
Obviously the best price in town.
I reckon so, Michele. So I just said to him, fill her up. Fill her up. I got a feeling it'd be about 33.5. Let's see.
Getting a bit more.
Squeezing a bit more in. Good man.
Oh, and a bit more.
I didn't pay for that one all over the floor. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. We are full and ready to rock and roll. Was it 157, Michele?
Yeah, 157.80.
Good price, yeah?
Good price, yeah.
And how many litres? What was the?
We got
did we get the right change? Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so. I think they're always pretty accurate, aren't
I
they?
think so. 22, slightly over 22 litres.
Okay. Happy with that. It'll probably be a day and a half, 2 days before we buy any more fuel, I would imagine. So, on with the journey. So is it this tiny lane
This
here?
tiny little lane
Oh,
here.
that's not right, is it?
Well, I think the other one we were going for before would have been a better option.
What a bizarre little turn. I suppose we didn't have to cross over the traffic coming this way.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is so typical Google, isn't it? Look where we're going.
It's okay. We like all the back streets, really.
I think we've determined that we're going through the tunnel again. We didn't choose to go through the tunnel, but it looks like Google is taking us that way, which means it's only 160 yen. It's about a $1 Australian 60, or about $1, I think, US. So it's a very cheap crossing from one island to the next. I was saying to Michele, I really think it's inspired me to come back at some point to Japan and do a similar tour, maybe with a few modifications. Certainly the time of year, probably in a more clement weather, springtime, later summer. Okay, I turned the camera off, but 2 bends and we're at the tunnel. So
There's one.
how cool. So this is a really deep tunnel, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it goes under the harbour. Let's just clean the window for you. This gentleman's going to go for the lights, even though it's flashing.
He's running.
He's breaking all the rules. But no, he's made it. He's made it.
He's stopping now.
Good for him. So we're going to pull up here. I think it's 160.
That's what I've got.
Let's put the old window down. And here he is, the gentleman. Thank you.
You got it? I'll put it in there.
Arigatou gozaimasu. One second.
Okay.
And we're off.
He's quite happy with all my change.
He was happy, he counted it really quickly.
Yeah, had it in a little tray.
Into the tunnel again.
Down we go.
Down, down. Under the depths. You just put the blow on the front, steaming
Front.
up.
Yeah.
That's it, that's it. I wonder why that is, why that's steamed up. Oh, is it outside?
That will be
Outside, that'd be why. It's obviously very humid under here. Oh, so it narrowed, I didn't even notice it. It narrowed into one lane.
Oh yeah, so it's two booths. Oh, he's got a turn, obviously.
What's he indicating?
I don't know.
Maybe he just knocked his...
Yeah, he was obviously doing something. Maybe he meant to wipe his windows.
So, a brief visit to Kyushu, Michele. A brief visit. Not as long as we'd hoped, but we did almost just wanted to tag Fukuoka.
Yeah.
So, when we set off on this 60-day journey, I thought we'd probably be able to go to every city in Japan and tour the whole, both islands, all 3 islands.
Well, we could have done if we'd have raced around at breakneck speed.
Not seen anything.
Yep.
Yeah. But this isn't an exercise in burning fuel, it's an exercise in seeing small town Japan. And I think we've done well. I think we've, for ourselves, anyway, I don't know what the viewers think, but I think we've seen parts of Japan that you just don't see in touristic videos.
Yeah.
We've discovered some amazing towns and culture of Japan. You know, from the rice fields to the rice milling to the smaller supermarkets and the Michinoeki culture. It's quite interesting.
Yep, the festivals.
I have learned a lot.
Absolutely.
could certainly do it better the second time round. So we've got a loop coming up.
Oh, we're going back on ourselves, are we?
Yeah, I think we're. Oh, I suppose it's.
To get
when we arrived, we had this same sort of thing.
Yes. Oh, so what are we doing? 180 meters. Go to this one, central.
But there are 3. So which
Okay.
Which one?
Keep left. It says.
Keep left.
Yep.
See, that's.
And you need the rain as soon as you come out.
That's really hard to fathom.
It is, isn't it? I don't know where
we
you're
had to
going.
go there. But no, we're definitely on
Yep.
the right road.
Go.
Back in this lovely little town. Love this area.
Yeah.
So a little stop sign there.
Now we're going over the tunnel.
No, are we?
Yeah.
So we're on the road again. I wonder if anyone ever made a AI song with my title of Rusty Roads.
Oh yeah.
Rusty
What's
road,
that little car?
I don't know.
take me home.
It's a 7 car.
to
It's an EV, whatever it is.
It is the 7-Eleven car.
duct tape bumper,
Cool is that?
fumes that grow. Ain't no shine
And over here,
left on my chrome.
Kyushu, oh, the weather's looking rough, isn't it?
Rusty roads, take me home. Rusty roads, take me home to the shed where I belong. Duct tape bones, take me home.